Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. We are studying our lesson number 2, that is fractions and decimals. Okay, in the previous class, what we have studied? We have studied about the addition of decimal numbers and the subtraction of decimal numbers. Okay, so just let's recall it. So tell me first how to add two decimal numbers. Okay, so First step is write your first decimal number as it is. Write your first decimal number as it is. After that, if you have started to writing the second number, so first put decimal point below the decimal point. Okay. After that, write the left side of second number and then write the right part. Okay, and then perform your addition or subtraction. But before performing addition or subtraction, make sure there is no place remain vacant. Vacant means blank. There is no place remain vacant, so just put it 0 there. Okay, today I am telling you how to multiply decimal numbers. So multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals. Okay, multiplication of decimals. Now tell me, did you know how to multiply a number? How to multiply a number, did you know? Okay, just let's recall it. Okay, so if it is given in the question ki 367 multiply with 79. 367 multiply with 79. So how will we multiply it? We multiply it as 367 multiply with 79. Okay, so now 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. So we write 3 here and 6 is your carry. Okay, now 9 6 are 54 and 6 is 60. So 0 here and 6 is 9 3 are 27. 27 and 6 is 33. So we will write 33 here. Okay, so what is our first step? Our first step is to multiply. That is 9 sevens are 63. So write here 3 and 6 in the top. Okay, so 9 6 are 54 and 6 60. So 0 here and 6 in the top. Okay, after that 9 6 are 27 and 6 is a 30. Okay, now multiply with 7. So 7 sevens are, but before that just place here cross mark or you can write 0 also. Okay, हम जब सेकेंड नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं उसके पहले हम ये वाला एक प्लेस ब्लैंक छोड़ते हैं. तो इस प्लेस पे या तो आप क्रॉस मार्क लगाइए या 0 लगाइए. ठीक है, दोनों भी करेक्ट होगा. ओके, सो 7 sevens are 49 carries 4. 7 6 are 42. Okay, 7 6 are 42 and 4 46. So write here 6 and 4 on the top. Okay, then 7 3 are 21 and 4 is 25. Okay, when you are multiplying or adding or subtracting any of your number, make sure you are writing the numbers one below the other. Okay, आपको ये याद रखना है कि आप जो नंबर्स लिख रहे हैं वो एक के नीचे एक होने चाहिए. अगर वो प्रॉपर मैनर में नहीं है, I will straight give you 0. Okay, so make sure when you are writing the number that they must be one below the other. So जैसे आप देख रहे हो 7 9 3 and cross mark in a one line, 6 7 0 9 in a one line. Okay, so आपको भी ऐसे ही एक के नीचे एक लिखना है. ऐसे नहीं करना है कि 3 यहाँ लिख रहे हैं 0 यहाँ लिख रहे हैं, इसका आंसर. ठीक है, it may be happen sometimes if you are writing the number here and there, then it will calculate the answer wrong. Okay, आपका आंसर wrong आने के बहुत ज़्यादा chances रहते हैं. Okay, so now just add them. So what will be your answer? 3 here, 0 plus 9 9, 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 3 8 and here 2. 8 and here the 2. So the multiplication without performing any calculation. अगर आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर निकालना है तो आपको कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. You don't need to calculate it. So then how to find the answer? Is there any number multiplying with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000? यानी कि अगर आप किसी भी नंबर को 10 या 10 के मल्टीपल से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपको उसे परफॉर्म करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट योर आंसर एज राइट योर नंबर एज इट इज एंड प्लेस हाउ मेनी जीरोस दैट इज इन द मल्टीपल ऑफ 10. आपको क्या करना है, जो नंबर गिवन है उसे लिख लो और जितने भी जीरोस 10 के मल्टीपल्स में यहाँ दिए जस्ट प्लेस इट आफ्टर दैट नंबर. Here only one zero, so I will write 0 here. Third question is 359 multiplied with 1000. So you will write directly as 359 and just place how many zeros here, that is in the multiple of 10. 1, 2, 3. So write here 1, 2, 3. Okay. So in this way, if there is a multiplication with 10 or the multiple of 10, so you don't need to perform it, just write the number and place how many zeros that in the multiple of 10. Okay, so after that your question number 4, your question number 4 is 259 multiplied with 76. 259 multiplied with 76. So what will be your answer for the fourth question? Your fourth question is 259 multiplied with 76. So when you are writing your question, write the first number and just place the numbers in the last. Okay. So ये लिख लीजिए आपको, मैं क्या बोलूँ कि आपको नंबर एक के नीचे एक प्लेस करने हैं. ओके. So 6 9 54. So I will write 4 here and 5 on the top. 6 5s are 30 and 5 35. So I will write 5 here and 3 on the top. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 3 is 15. Okay. So before starting the multiplication for your second number, just place cross mark at the last. Okay. So 7 9s are 63. So I will write 3 here and 6 on the top. 7 5s are 35 and 6 41. So I will write 1 here and 4 on the top. Okay. 7 2s are 14 and 4, that is 18. Okay. So here also I will write each number below the other. Okay. Now add all of them. Your answer is 4 here, 5 and 3 8, 5 and 1 6. Okay, 5 and 1 6. Then 8 and 1 and 8 is 9, and here you write the 1. So the answer for 259 multiplied with 76 is 19,684. This is your normal multiplication which you know how to multiply this number. ये आपका normal multiplication है जो आपको पता है कि कैसे करते हैं. ठीक है. So now I am telling you how to multiply the decimals on the basis of it. Okay. So look at here. Your first question is 367.79. If I place the decimal point in between 3 and 6, so now your question becomes 3.67 multiplied with 79. अगर आपका क्वेश्चन है 3.67 multiplied with 79, so आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, जो आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन की हो वो करेक्ट है. ओके. आपको नॉर्मली ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. जस्ट प्लेस द डेसिमल पॉइंट हियर. Just place the decimal point. Okay. So now your question becomes 3.67 multiplied with 79. Okay. So just do the normal calculation as you perform and then perform the decimal numbers after. Okay. So हम यहाँ से कैलकुलेट करेंगे कि डेसिमल नंबर्स कितने पॉइंट्स के बाद है, सॉरी कितने डिजिट्स के बाद है. So here 1 2. After two decimal numbers, after two numbers from the right side there is a decimal point. क्योंकि इसमें decimal point नहीं है तो decimal point दो digits के बाद में जब हम right से calculate कर रहे हैं. Okay. तो there is a decimal point digits from the right. So I will just place decimal point from after 2 digits from the right. So 1, 2. Just place the decimal point here. क्या किया है हमने? क्वेश्चन जो था नॉर्मली विदाउट डेसिमल पॉइंट, हमने उस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किए. ठीक है, सॉल्व करने के बाद हमने क्या किए, नॉर्मली जब सारा कैलकुलेशन हो गया, जो पॉइंट क्वेश्चन में था वो पॉइंट हमने यहाँ पे प्लेस कर दिए. फिर हमने चेक किए कि कितने डिजिट्स के बाद राइट साइड से अगर हम काउंट करते हैं तो पॉइंट आता है. सो राइट साइड से हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो 2 डिजिट्स के बाद पॉइंट आ रहा है. सो 1, 2 and then the decimal point. So just place it here 1, 2 and the decimal point. So this is your answer for this question. Okay. So if you are multiplying the decimal, so just perform the normal multiplication and place the decimal point by counting the digits. Okay. Now your second question. For 4359 multiplied with 10, I will change the question to 4.359 multiplied with 10. अगर आपका क्वेश्चन है 4.359 multiplied with 10, so again you don't need to perform any calculation. जब just assume that there is no decimal point. आपको क्या करना है, ये सोच के चलना है कि वहाँ पे कोई भी डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं है. तो आप क्या करोगे, नंबर को एज इट इज लिखोगे और ये जो जितने जीरो से प्लेस कर दोगे. आफ्टर दैट जस्ट काउंट द डिजिट्स फ्रॉम द राइट. ओके. सो 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits there is a decimal point. So just place it 1, 2, 3. So I will place the decimal point here. Okay. Or in the other terms you can say that suppose your question is 4.359 multiplied with 10. आप इसे एक और तरीके से कर सकते हो. That is, आप क्या करोगे कि ये नंबर आपका डेसिमल नंबर है और इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है 10 या 10 के मल्टीपल से. तो आप क्या करोगे, जितने जीरोज है उतना डेसिमल पॉइंट को राइट साइड में शिफ्ट कर दो. यहाँ पे एक ही जीरो है तो हम इस डेसिमल पॉइंट को एक डिजिट शिफ्ट करेंगे. दैट इज 43.5. So your answer is same. 43.590 or 43.59. Both are the same. Okay. So in this way you can also perform the decimals multiplication. Okay. After that there is a question number 3. Again I will change this question to this. 35.9 is multiplied with 1000. So now I am checking how many digits after that the decimal point. So there is only one digit. So here I will place a decimal point after the 1. Okay. Now your second question is 2.59 multiplied with 7.6. 2.59 multiplied with 7.6. Okay. Now अभी तक हमने जितने क्वेश्चन देखे थे सिर्फ एक ही नंबर में डेसिमल पॉइंट था. ये जो क्वेश्चन है इसमें दोनों में डेसिमल पॉइंट्स है. Okay. So make sure when you are writing your question, place both the decimal points. Place both the decimal points. Okay. So if you are writing this in these questions, in the multiplication decimal is not below the decimal point. Okay. दोनों decimal points एक के नीचे एक नहीं आते जब हम multiplication करते हैं. बट एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन में आपको कंपल्शन होता है कि डेसिमल पॉइंट के नीचे ही डेसिमल पॉइंट आना चाहिए. Okay. So in this question you have placed the decimal numbers. Now count the digits in the question. Okay. So there is 1, 2 digits here. After the 2 digits there is a decimal point, and in this there is a decimal point after the 1 digit. Okay. So in this there is 2 decimal numbers after the decimal point, and in this one, so there are total 3 numbers after the decimal point. आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपको दिखेगा डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 3 डिजिट्स है. Here 2 and in this 1. So there are 3 digits after the decimal point. So in your answer there must be the 3 digits after the decimal point. So in this way we can perform the multiplication questions. Okay. So how to perform the multiplication? Just write your question as it is without the decimal point and perform your multiplication. After that just place the decimal symbol in the question and then count how many digits there in the question after the decimal point, and just place the decimal point in the answer as well in the quotient. If in both the numbers, if there is a decimal point, so count all the numbers after the decimal point. Okay. So in this way you can multiply your decimals. In the same way there is a division of decimals which we will taking in the next lecture. Till then, bye. Take care.